space. When our dream is gone, it's a lonelier place. I kiss the morning goodbye, but down inside, you know we never.
Hola Venturista, good day and welcome. Today's video I would like to share my travel moments called the Paniki Loop. Ito ay binubuo ng tatlong probinsya, ang probinsya ng Rizal, Laguna at Quezon. Kaya ito tinawag na the Paniki Loop sapagkat pagtitingnan sa Google Map, ito ay Hugis Paniki. Tara na't samahan niyo ako na maglakbay at tuklasin ang ganda at nakakagalak na tourist spot na aking natuklasan. Mula sa Impapawid, matatanaw ang gandahan ng tanawin sa malayo at likas na tanawin sa lugar ng Lanay by Annabels dito sa Tanay Sampaloc Road, Tanay Rizal. Tayo. Wow.
moments later.
Bait-bait naman ang alaga ninyo. Dito pa talaga sa paanan ko.
I'll keep on loving you kung sadyang di ako ang sigaw at tibok ng puso mo. Mabuti at nalaman ko. Nalaman ko na ako'y di mo gusto. Huwag kang mag-alala kung sadyang di ako ang lahat ng pinapangarap mo. Kung wala ng pag-ibig, pabayaan mo.
Welcome to Paninap Beach Camp 1 in Real, Quezon. Sa halagang 100 pesos entrance fee, ma-enjoy mo na ang ganda at kagalakan ng dagat sa maalong hampas nito at mabuhanging dalampasigan.
Jacob came to a land in the east upon a well by flocks of sheep. He asked the shepherds about his kin, they said there his daughter be. Jacob loved her at first sight, he hoped that she would be his bride. She ran to tell her dad Laban, who brought them all inside. A month went by, then Laban asked, what shall your wages be? Jacob said, I love Rachel, so give her hand to me. 7 years to pay your price, 7 years to earn your wife. Keep your head down, work the land, earn my daughter's hand. Jacob's work was fueled by love. He took his girl when his time was done. But something happened in the night. This wasn't Jacob's wife. Laban gave Leah instead, the older of his girls. Told Jacob that's the way it is, but if he still wants Rachel. 7 years to pay your price, 7 years to earn your wife. Keep your head down, work the land, earn my daughter's hand. Keep your head down, work the land.
Thanks for watching.